Okay, we getting there. We getting there. Yes, sir. So welcome back today, everybody. I appreciate everybody that been staying tuned, subscribing. You feel me? Checking out the channel and everything. Today, we will be installing tire stickers on the wheels today. I got them custom tire stickers. I did get it from Tire Sticker from Amazon. I believe it was like $150 for the custom ones. And we're going to install them today. So just wanted to let y'all know that. And other than that, I did do a little bit more mods I got coming. So stay tuned. I'm trying to get the Corsa Extreme for my exhaust. So that's the next mod I plan on getting. But yep. Then I'm gonna get the Corsa headers and everything. And you know, whole Corsa performance. I'm not sponsored by Corsa. Shout out to Corsa. Y'all can sponsor me if y'all want. I would appreciate it. And yeah, let's get into the video. So yeah, we about to go put these tire stickers on this car real quick. You feel me? So I just want y'all to see all the stuff that pretty much that I gotta clean each tire. And just to let y'all know, this is gonna be a time-consuming type of project. It's not nothing you can do in about 30 minutes to an hour. And I will do this without taking my wheels off. So stay tuned. We about to get it done. That's how I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to install it without taking the wheels off. So yeah. So this is everything that I'm going to use to add the tire stickers. The bucket of water after I wet my tires and wash it and everything. That's what that's for. The acetone to clean it after it. And that's the wheel cleaner and stuff I'm gonna put on the tire to clean it. And of course you need the tire stickers to put on your car. And the rags for the acetone and everything. And that's just for me to set my phone up. But yeah, stay tuned. So after I had wet the wheels and everything, I sprayed on the tire, cleaning and everything. You see how it changed colors, like you know it's dirty. I'm gonna grab this with my bucket of water like this, dip it in there, and just hit the tires up all the way around. So, yep, stay tuned. I gotta do this whole tire. I'll show you when I get to the next process. So when you do it, just make sure y'all wanted to cut all these off. I'm about to cut them off now, but I just wanted to show you that way that you'll get a flush finish. You can pull them off if you can't find nothing, but make sure you get a knife or something. Scissors just to cut it, pull it out, and like that. Pull it out like that and hit it up. You just want to do it to the part that you're ready to put the stick on. So yeah, stay tuned. So I got it up there right now. I'm about to just move the car up just a little bit, just so it's centered. And then after I move the car up, we want to apply it after I put the acetone on it and clean the wheel. But yeah. So you got two options when you cleaning the tires. You can always just mark it like this where you want it at, and then just clean the area where it's at, or you could clean the whole entire tire. I'm gonna match mine up to cover the Michelin Man, like all of this, pretty much, because I want to keep my tire sizes and everything. So yeah, you see the dirt like that when you wipe the tires. So that's all the stuff you try and get off. You might not be able to just see it, but that's what you want to get off. That wheel cleaner stuff, not going to get all that stuff off, and it's going to mess your stickers up over time. So just make sure you do it right. Biggest thing is preparation with these is getting it clean, chopping these little things off to make sure that it's nice and smooth, and knowing where you want to place your tires at. So remember, I'm not gonna take none of my wheels off. I'm gonna do this with it on. So stay tuned. So these brand new tires. So just so y'all see, even with my brand new tires, that's what I waited to install them for. They were still pretty dirty. I didn't put no tire shine on my tires since I got it. But you want to keep doing it anyway till it get like this. And I just got it looking like this. So just wanted to show y'all how dirty it was. And this is just for this one section. But let's put the stickers on there and start showing you how to install them. So the way that you're going to do it without taking your tire off is after you do the top side. I did it on both sides. Once you do the top side, you want to put the tape where you want it at, like center it up, and just back up. And just, if you got somebody to help you, just let you know when it's centered. If not, you just got to keep getting out, checking. But you want to make sure you wait like 10 minutes to 20 minutes. I had this on probably for about 30 minutes already before I even took it off. I'm gonna probably press down on it 1 or twice more before I take it off. And then after this, I'm gonna do the front side. And this will just be the passenger side. But pretty much that's how you do it without taking the wheel off. Just gotta back your car up or move it forward in order to get it right. So just wanted to let y'all know that. It ain't no tips or tricks, you know. Some people don't mind taking their wheels off. It's better if you take your wheels off. It is much easier to clean all 4 wheels, because right now I only clean 2 wheels, and that's just these 2 wheels on this side. So now I'm gonna let this sit. Wait, put the glue on this side now, but I'm gonna let that sit. Supposed to give it pressure for about 30 seconds. And I'm just making sure every little nook and cranny is pushed down. So that's all I do. And then I'm gonna push down on it for 30 seconds with both hands. So hold down on it for 30 seconds. So stay tuned, I'll show y'all the final results. So just a quick overview of everything that we did today on this video. We had all the supplies that came with it, like the tire stickers, acetone we bought from Home Depot, the towel we got from out the house, painter's tape, all that stuff came with it pretty much. Well, not the acetone or the gloves or none of that, but long story short, we did that, washed the tire, sprayed some wheel cleaner on it, tire cleaner on it, scrubbed the wheels down. After we had scrubbed the wheels down, we blocked off the sections, like right here. Still see a little bit of tape right there, but we blocked off the sections from like right there to right there. Got acetone, cleaned it down. After we had cleaned it down with the acetone, everything, we lined the stickers back up. Then after that, we put the stickers on that with the tire glue on it. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. So yeah, shout out to everybody. Appreciate y'all watching the video. And let me know what y'all think about it. Just something different to help the orange come out. It's not even the same orange, but it's cool enough to me. Yes, sir. And then these, I'm about to wrap these orange too. If they don't got my black one soon, I'm gonna wrap these orange. But yeah. Okay, it's the next day. Tire stickers off. Let's give it the first start of the day, AKA cold start. Didn't sound too loud, but yeah. So long story short, I got a couple tire glue like this. If you see, I put too much glue on it, but it did help all the edges stick down. All this will rinse off. all that to rinse off. So I ain't worried about that. I just wanted to make sure the letters stay like this. You see a little bit like this. Make sure, you know, keep putting it down to keep it down. But other than that, that's the vehicle with the tire stickers on it now. I appreciate everybody watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification. Just let me know what y'all think, man. Now I can put some tire shine on it to make it look good. So, yeah. Car dirty. So I'm gonna probably wash it tomorrow, but I'm gonna take my truck for the day. Because back at my house, I don't know if y'all seen it, but right here, somebody scratched my car up again. So I just don't know what the fuck to do. At this point, I'm about to just try not to cut the charge. So just wanted to let y'all know that. But yeah.